Philippians 4:13. I'm able to do all things through him who strengthens me. Powerful words. A verse that many people use as motivation to retire victorious in their professions or for the sport they play. The scripture and or reference to the scripture is embroidered or printed on their garments as proof that they believe they can achieve victory through the power of God within them. All well and good. But what happens when, despite this motivational message, we fail in what we intend or practice? What then? Does this mean that this message is only of value to some people and we are not good enough to have a part in it? Certainly not. This message is precisely aimed at pointing out to us that as children of God, in all circumstances, no matter whether it is positive or negative, we will rise as victors. We can now ask, but how can you be a victor if you have failed in what you wanted to do or planned? Simply, if you fully trust in the Lord, you will overcome even the most difficult times in your life, precisely because He gives you the strength to do so. Then you will know that it's not always about the first or best place, but that it is about the end result, which is to overcome what comes your way. It is about the fact that you receive your strength from the Lord, to in spite of how well or how badly you are doing, how successful or unsuccessful your life may be, that you will come through it by His power, the power that He gives you. So you will be able to overcome all circumstances through His power in you. Hold on to the scripture in the times of expectation, but especially in the time of trial and adversity, and believe it. I am capable of all things through Him who gives me strength.